Okay, Waka, say we're in that. Journal page 10, dividing polynomials with synthetic division. Example 1, given p of x, find p of negative 2 by using synthetic division. So the a value is negative 2. Okay, so negative 2 goes right here. We bring down, make sure we have the exponents in order. Cube 2x, we're not missing anything. So this becomes 6, negative 4, 20, negative 55. Okay, now we bring down the 6. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. Negative 4, negative 12 is negative 16. Negative 2 times negative 16 is 32. 20 and 32 is 52. Negative 2 times 52 is negative 104. This combines to be negative 159. So p of negative 2 equals negative 159. Okay, so to check that, we're going to plug negative 2 in everywhere there's an x. So when we do that, you can see that 6 times negative 2 cubed plus 4, or minus 4 times negative 2 squared plus 20 times negative 2 minus 55 is negative 159. Okay? All right, let's take a look at the next example. Given p of x, find p of negative 4. So the a value is negative 4. So negative 4 goes right here. We bring down, we have cubed, squared, x, so we're good there. So 1, 6, 3, negative 38. Okay, so we bring down the 1. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Negative 4 times negative 5 is a positive 20, which combines to be negative 18. So p of negative 4 equals negative 18. All right, go ahead and finish up example 2. Let's take a look at example 3. Given p of x, find p of negative 1 by using synthetic division. So again, the a value is negative 1. Now, we have cubed x squared x, so we're good. So we bring down the 3, negative 5, negative 8. Bring down the 3. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Negative 5 times negative 3 is negative 8. Negative 1 times negative 8 is a positive 8. So p of negative 1 equals 0. All right, go ahead and finish up example 3. Our example 4, given p of x, find p of negative 3 by using synthetic division. So a is negative 3. So we bring down, we have cubed squared x, so we're good. 7, 20, negative 3. Bring down the 7. Negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. This combines to be negative 1. Negative 3 times negative 1 is a positive 3. So p of negative 3 equals 0. All right, go ahead and finish up example 4. Example 5. Given a polynomial p of x, use synthetic division to divide by x minus a and obtain the quotient and the non-zero remainder. Enter the result in the form of we're actually going to remove this. So if you have it on your paper and you have whiteout, mark it out with whiteouts. You just have a pencil, you can just mark it out, but we're not going to worry about that. Okay. All right. So first we need to solve for x. So we add 6 to both sides. So x equals 6. So that number goes right here. And then we got to make sure we have cubed, squared, x. We're good. These numbers come here. So 9, negative 1, negative 304, negative 57. So we bring down the 9. 6 times 9 is 54. Okay. Negative 1 and 54 is 53. I don't know what 6 times 53 is, so let's just use our calculator. 6 times 53 is 318. Okay. Negative 304 and 318 is 14. 6 times 14 is 84. And then 84 minus 57 is 27. Now, when you divide, this was 9x cubed, x squared, x minus 7. But the x must decrease by 1. So now this becomes 9x squared plus 53x plus 14 plus, don't forget the remainder, 27 divided by x minus 6. Okay, go ahead and finish up example 5. All right, example 6. Given a polynomial p of x, use synthetic division, divide by x minus a, and obtain the quotient and the non-zero remainder. And again, go ahead and if you have white out, go ahead and just white this out. Or if you have it, just pencil mark it out. We're not going to put the answer in that form. All right. So first things first, we solve for x. We subtract 1.25 from both sides. So x equals negative 1.25. That number goes right here. And we bring down. But now be careful though. See how we go from 4 to 2? We're missing a cube. So we need to do 8, 0 to represent the cubed, negative 40.5, negative 37, and 4. Because technically, this is 8x to the 4th plus 0x cubed minus 40.5 x squared minus 37x plus 4 divided by x plus 1.25. Okay, so now we bring down the 8. So we need to multiply negative 1.25 times 8 is negative 10. Combined, this becomes negative 10. And I can just keep the negative 1.5 times negative 10 is 12.5. Okay. So then we're going to do negative 40.5 plus 12.5 is negative 28. Now we're going to multiply this. So negative 1.25 times negative 28 is 35. Negative 37 and 35 is negative 2. Negative 1.25 times negative 2 is 2.5. This combines to be 6.5. Now, this was x to the 4th, x cubed, x squared, x, but when you divide, the exponent must decrease by 1. So this becomes 8x cubed minus 10x squared minus 28x minus 2 plus 6.5 divided by x plus 1.25. All right, go ahead and finish up example 6. All right, let's take a look at example 7. Okay, determine whether the given binomial is a factor of the polynomial. Okay, now if the remainder is 0, then it's a factor of the polynomial. Okay, so we subtract 4 from both sides. So x equals negative 4. So the negative 4 goes right here. Make sure we have cubed, squared, x, so we're good. So 1, 4, negative 1, negative 4. Bring down the 1. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Negative 4 times 0 is 0. Negative 1, minus -1. -4 times -1 is a positive 4. The remainder is 0. Okay? Since the remainder is 0, x plus 4 is a factor. The remaining factors are. So to find the remaining factors, we need to factor this. Now, remember, this was x cubed, x squared, x. So this becomes 1x squared plus 0x minus 1. Now, we're going to set it equal to 0. And this becomes x squared minus 1 equal to 0. Now we solve for x. So we add 1 to both sides. So x squared equals 1. Take the square root of both sides. Square root's plus or minus. So that cancels. You get x equals plus or minus 1. So the remaining factors are 1 and -1. Now, all right, let's go and take a look at the last example. All right, determine whether the given binomial is a factor of the polynomial p of x. Okay, so we subtract 4 from both sides. So x equals -4. So -4 goes here. We have 4, 3. We're missing a 2. So we need to rewrite p of x. P of x equals 8x to the 4th plus 41x cubed plus 0x squared minus 140x minus 3. So then this becomes 8, 41, 0, -140, and -3. So we bring down the 8. -4 times 8 is -32. 41 minus 32 is 9. -4 times 9 is -36. That combines to be -36. Numbers are getting a little big, so I'm going to use a calculator. -36 times -4 is 144. -140 and 144 combine to be 4. -4 and 4 is -16. The remainder is -19. Okay? So, since the remainder is -19, which is really, actually, I'm not wrong to say -19, but really what you should say is not 0. Okay? X plus 4 is not a factor. Okay? Is not a factor. Okay? All right, go ahead and finish up your example. Start working on your assignment and have a wonderful Wildcat day.